How to display the current year in a Django template. What is the inbuilt template tag to display the present year dynamically? Like 2011, what would be the template tag to display that?
The full tag to print just the current year is %now y%. Note that the y must be in quotes.
%now y% is the correct syntax.
%now %.
I have used the following in my Django-based website. You can visit and see it in the footer part where I have displayed the current year using the below code. CSS part is omitted, so use your own. And it is displaying the following centered text in my website's footer.